Hi all, welcome to Chimpanzee Charts again on a great day. So as expected, we had a pullback for BTC and let's move to BTC charts and see how it looks like. Okay, this is how BTC charts look like. For past 2 days, I was saying um, I was expecting a reversal yesterday because uh, I was thinking that it's kind of a small correction, and I also told there are chances where we can hit this 36,700 or a 36 this area 36,300 mark. Okay, these two areas are very good. So if BTC tries to reverse from here, probably we can go up. So that is one thing with respect to BTC USDT. So let's wait and watch. Let BTC comes down. We can buy some good alts at lower prices since alts were pumped very high. Not very high, gradually high. If you see dot, it went like 80 or 90 percentage. So we will have one more chance to get alts at low price. So we need this bull momentum. So as I always say, whenever there is a close below 80 MA, so there is a loss of confidence in the market. So let's see what happens. This 34 EMA is the key support this area. This 36,700 to 36,300 is the key area where we need to watch and make a trade. And watch this sarcastic RSI. I was saying yesterday this is keep on going. It was not a good sign. At last we saw a dump. It needs to come down to see BTC to reverse. Okay, so we will wait for it to come down, or it can reverse here itself. But since we what I feel is like 36,300 or 36,700, this area is key. I feel this might come down and RSI also comes down, and we will have some kind of a reversal once everything settles down. Okay, so let's move to dot USDT. Dot, everything had a small correction today, but the dot is still above this 80 MA. So if BTC is trying to fall, I think these are the areas we need to place bets like 15.7 or between 16.3 to 15.7. So if there is a reversal happens, I think these are the area it needs to happen. If these things are not getting supported, at least in the middle of Bollinger Band 14.177 should get supported. So we need to see and carefully trade. So as I expected, it almost hit this 20.42 target, and it closed. It hit 17.93 also. So 2 more days of upward momentum and less correction on BTC would have made us to 20 or 22. So right now we can see 16.336 is one of the main support. If it breaks, I think I'm seeing a lower target for dot. Let me draw a horizontal line. So maybe we can make this one. Let it make red. Okay. So this is with respect to dot. So better be with your money. Don't over trade and lose your confidence. Okay. So try to be with your money and trade. Let's go to link. Okay, link. It was going up. It consolidated literally like 4 days of time, and I was expecting link at least to go to 25 or 26. I think at least this 200 EMA. But since the BTC got pulled back, I think there is some correction with the link. But we could have all at least placed some buy orders at 21.942. If again BTC tries to fall, I think link can come up to at least this range, 19.64. So these are the places to buy. This 34 EMA needs to get supported, and this 5 EMA, 8 EMA, it can come like this, and it gets supported by 34 EMA, and it can travel. Okay, some chances, because 50 and 34 and 20 are literally between these averages are between this two within this $1 range, almost like $1.60 range. So these areas the one we need to watch, where we can find a reversal, and again sarcastic RSI is like on the top, so we need to just watch and play in the trend. Let market cool off, let BTC cool off for some days. We will get better trades. We'll try to get in and make some good money. This is with respect to link. Let's see BNB. BNB had a very good chance because this 50 MA, 80 MA crossed over all these congested moving averages as the target. It got hit this target and we got a reversal candle. So okay, so these are the type of reversal candle, so we need to watch also. So we got a reversal candle and price is falling. Okay, let's see. I think for if we get BNB at 270 or something like that, we can make a trade. Again, we can see it is dropping, so sarcastic RC should come like this. Let's see 240 or 250. It's in the cards, I believe, for maybe I would say the next target, next support for, let me try to draw a line. Next support should be around this area, like 299, or let me draw this one, 294, or we can make it as 34 EMA. Okay, 288. So that is the next major support. So we need to watch and see how BNB performs. On weekly it looks bullish. Why? Because it's above, it's just between these two averages. Other averages are below this. Other averages are below, so we don't want to worry. On weekly it looks bullish, but on daily basis we need to wait and see. Why? Because BTC is slightly coming down, so we need to wait and see how BNB reacts. Let's see, do we have any live chat? I think no one. Next we can go to ADA, Cardano. We got a reversal candle, and here we are getting a capitulation candle, so where people are trying to buy the dip. So if it closes above 580 MA, I think Cardano is getting non-correlated with BTC. That's what I would say. But if BTC falls, this will fall. If it falls, we can try to catch this area like 1.21 as first like first support. We can buy this Cardano at this area. First 1 week it almost like sarcastic RS is like on overbought case. This is the first support. The next support can be at the end of this Bollinger Band 1.09. Okay, so let's wait and see. Based on BTC reacts, we can buy in this prices. If it goes below that, we need to wait and see. Okay, so don't over trade. Let's wait for some pullback and see. If this candle, last week's candle closed above this 80 MA, it will be like bullish stuff, but it's not happening because BTC needs to permit all these trades. So if BTC is not ready to do that, I think everything will fail. So that is with Cardano. Next we can see USDT. Okay, let's go to daily chart. Rune, I think we had enough rally for Rune from $3.50 to $7. It's like 100% trade. So let's wait for Rune to get a correction for tomorrow. If you see Rune, it's like 114% trade. This was the place where we got the news that Rune got hacked, but people went and bought in Rune at 3.50 and it pumped already like 110%. Even though if there is a correction, I can see a support at 6.02. If Rune comes to 6.02, it's well and good, but we can wait and see what we can do on that. And all this RSIs are congested, so I don't want to make this as a support as of now. Maybe I will do this one as one of the support, like middle of Bollinger Band. So these are the areas where we need to see if Rune fails to hold 6.05, it can come into this area and it needs to act as a support. If this doesn't happen, again we can see a range of 3.50 for Rune. Okay, so this is with respect to RON USDT pair. So link I think we watch. Let's see LTC USDT. LTC I was a little bit bullish because it moved from 105 to 140. It's like 30% move, but not like Ryun or DOT where 80 or 100% move. But it hit our first target of 145, and it is correcting, and it touched this 50 EMA today, and it made us a support, and it is trying to close above 80 EMA. It's not, since we are having around 10 more hours to close. We need to see how BTC reacts. So the first support I would say is like this area. Litecoin needs to hold 129.81. Let's see whether BTC correction takes back this price to 129. If not, next support will be like 115, this area. So these are the two areas I'm seeing as of now. If Litecoin tries to consolidate about this green and there is a volume coming up in next 10 hours, again it may go to 145 and the above area 153. Okay, so there are both ways we can predict this coin, but as of now, since BTC is falling, I'm falling that price will come down for Litecoin. So this is with respect to Litecoin. Let's watch Bcash USDT. Bcash same looks like Litecoin. Okay, so it is holding this 80 MA. Even today's price drop, it holded 80 MA. So I feel somewhat confidence, but it looks like a spinning top candle. Spinning top candle is like 50% up or 50% down. If BTC tries to fall, it will calculate that 50% down category and it can come down. If BTC is pumping and it is again going back to that 4500 or 42 area, Bitcoin Cash will move up again. So that's what we need to watch. Maybe the first resistance will be this area. Let me mark it as green for Bitcoin Cash. If it falls, the maximum, if these moving averages are not respected, I am seeing a buy opportunity for Bitcoin Cash around 480 or 490. So those are the two areas. If even 490 is not supported, next area of support will be like 422 or 425. Okay, so this is with respect to Bitcoin Cash. One good thing is like let's check gold. Gold is like I don't know, everyone started investing on gold, I believe. So I was expecting it gave a doji candle yesterday. Okay, so it's like we can't take a decision. Okay, if it is a doji candle, it's called as indecisive, as I used to say. We can't take a decision, but one good thing about gold is like it closed above 80 EMA and 34 EMA. That is fine, but it closed below this 1814 mark. Okay, so maybe we can adjust this what to say like this 1814 or 1811 mark. So not more than that. Exactly saying 18. Let me push down somewhat little. Okay, so 1814 level. So if today's candle closes green and it is showing as a hammer candle, if today's candle closes as green, at least I'm expecting gold to move up. So today when I woke up today morning, gold was trading here at 1807. Then I lost hope. What is happening with gold? It needs to push back because one issue is like it closed very well on last Thursday above this 200 EMA, and it tried to cross over this 50 EMA. This is a very good sign. But all in all, suddenly Friday everyone sold. That is fine. But it closed below 200. It's 200 EMA. It's fine. But it got supported by 8 EMA and 34 EMA. And even yesterday we got supported by 8 EMA and 34 EMA. If today's candle also supported by 8 EMA and 34 EMA, traders will get somewhat confidence, and that will at least push gold price to higher. Let's wait and watch what is happening with gold. These are the players. It's like getting congested or consolidated. If it is consolidated, it's fine. But gold, I think people are investing more into cryptocurrencies. These things, gold is not moving as expected. But let's wait and watch what is happening for gold. Okay, sarcastic RSI, it's slightly coming down, but with respect to RSI, it is like around 50. It's okay. So gold needs to push higher and close above this $18-14 mark, so it will be like good. Next we will go to Nifty charts. Nifty 50. Oh wow. I don't know. Next, I think Nifty closed all time high, I believe. So 1630. Yes. Nifty closed all time high. That's interesting. I think I was saying, if you had watched my 28th July video, I was saying that people are capitulating on Nifty, and this was a very good sign. And this capitulation gave confidence to the traders, and it went all the way up, and we got a green candle, and it's a very good bullish candle, unless and otherwise. But there were a lot of bad news in Chinese market, where they again had a lot of speculation on tech stocks. I don't know. I think this time it didn't. Nifty didn't respond to Chinese market. As I usually say, Nifty will every time it will try to mimic US market. Even S&P was all time high. Even in futures also all time high today morning EST. So I think that is what it happened to Nifty, and it's okay, fine. Nifty, let it go, because I was expecting a fall, and this averages were coming close, and Bollinger Bands also coming close. Let's see. But one thing is, like, it is above the Ichimoku cloud, you can see. So that is one of the bullish sign. But wait and see what is happening for Nifty. If Nifty pumps, everything would have pumped. I think let me check ITC. Wow, ITC also pumped to 210. Okay, that's a good sign, and it closed above 80 MA. So right now I think this scenario has gone for ITC. Let me delete this. This scenario has gone for ITC. Okay, because one good thing is, like, it closed above 80 MA, and it got supported by this 20 MA middle of Bollinger Band. So people are getting confidence on ITC. Let's see what is happening with ITC later. So Reliance Industries, as I usually say, it got supported by 200 MA, and it went up. But issue is, like, it closed below 34 MA and above 80 MA, and it is a red candle. It's kind of a hammer, but there is a small wick above that hammer. Okay, let's wait and see how I can see hammer. It can be a hanging man. Can be this type of hammer also. I think we need to wait and see. We can't take a decision on Reliance. We'll wait and see. Okay, so next thing, let's see whether anyone is chatting. I don't think so. Let us check SPX. SPX, okay. SPX, there is a small correction on a red candle. It's interesting. I think we can wait and watch. Maybe it might get reversed at 4368 or this 34 EMA. I don't know why there is a correction, but let's see. It's not a big correction, it's a small correction only. Let's see ES1 futures. This will give us an very good picture. This is a future market, yeah. So future market is going up. So let's see what is happening with SPX. So Tesla is a classic example where if you see it got supported with 200 EMA and it went all the way up. Okay, so these are the place you need 200 EMA, 200 EMA, 200 EMA. Whenever we get a support at 200 EMA, so just buy orders at 200 EMA. Just place a buy order at 200 EMA for these kind of stocks. Okay, Tesla and all those things, because they are having very good future and all those stuffs. There are a lot of stuffs happening in Tesla. So if you guys look into company's picture, it is well and good. I can check, and there is a golden cross can happen. Okay, that means 50 EMA is trying to cross over 200 EMA. So these are the signs we need to watch. If it crosses, it might again go up. Let's see what is the weekly resistance. Let me see. I think if Tesla if Tesla is pumping, I'm at least seeing a target of 780, at least 10% from now. So Tesla looks good as of now. Let me see. Apple Link. Apple Link for a few days it started closing below this 80 EMA. As I usually say, it needs to break that. If you see past 3 days it closed below 80 EMA. Okay, market started, I think yesterday it exactly, I won't say, it's kind of a spinning top candle. Okay, if price is getting rejected at 80 EMA, we need to wait and see whether it is trying to capture this 34 EMA or this edge of the Bollinger Band for Apple. Let's see low time frames, 4 hours. See, Bollinger Band is getting skewed. Some kind of volatility is needed for Apple. Either it needs to go up or go down. But it managed to close above this EMA in lower time frame. But on daily, it's giving a red candle right now. I'm at least seeing a target of 142. Let's see how today's market close for Apple. Okay, that is with respect to Apple. I think so I'm not sure. If you guys need any other videos, we can any other tickers I can check. Maybe Amaraj batteries we can check. Okay, Amaraj batteries, again it closed above this 80 EMA today. That's a very good sign, and it is going up. So this was exactly reversed on weekly this one weekly support. So that's where I always say either keep buy orders on weekly support or end of the Bollinger Band, where it can be filled and we can make at least decent profits on this type of charts. Okay, so let's wait for Amaraj batteries. I am seeing at least some correction for Amaraj batteries, some more days. If not, I think we might enter into good position. Let's see EXIDE we had a bearish candle yesterday. Let's see what happened today. Yeah, yesterday okay, let's see, go to daily candle. Yesterday I told whoever bought here they sold it here, and I also told this is bearish candle and it closed below 80 EMA. See what happened today. Okay, again it is at the support. It is, if it is closes below support tomorrow or day after tomorrow, I'm seeing a downfall for EXIDE. Okay, so let's wait for this chart to come down, trade to come down, and we'll buy in. We can wait till it comes to 165. Let me draw a line, and if we get supported by 165 by within this week, I think we can get into this trade and play some to make some decent money, like 10%. 165 plus 10 is like 16.5, so 16.5 rupees. So if you calculate 10% from here to till this moving average, almost like 181 or 182 dollars. So let's wait and see Bollinger. So as I always say, see here, this Bollinger Band is getting supported. Okay, so these are the places where we need to place order, but today's candle looks bearish, and I'm seeing few more down days, at least 2 more down days for EXIDE, and touch this 164 target, and a reversal possible in coming days. That is for EXIDE. So as I usually say, I'm not a financial advisor or a SEBI certified agent. I'm a market analyzer or TA analyzer who learned all these things for my own stuff. So try to learn from me. If you are not understanding or anything else, please comment on my videos. I can explain you guys in your way, whatever way you want. So kindly subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. I think if you learn these small tricks, there are a lot of chances where you can make passive income. So try to learn all these things and implement in your charts, and study these things. There are a lot of books available. I can share it with you guys. So be a self-sophisticated trader and understand the stuffs, and make sure that you are well versed and doing great things in trading and earn some money. Ultimate goal is like earn some money, so try to do that. So that's on my thoughts. And yeah, thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe, share, and like. And if you're subscribing, try to make your press a notification button as well. And yeah, thank you all. Thanks for your time, and uh, thanks for your time. And yeah, we can meet on another live session. Thank you.